Miniature Circuit Breakers 5SY and 5SP. High functionality and elaborate design. The MCB can be locked against unauthorized operation by handle locking device. The separate switching position indicator always shows the real contact position. The MCB initiates a release in a fault case due to the trip-free mechanism if locked or blocked in switched-on position. The two identical double terminals feature full touch protection. This facilitates operation without risks even with connected conductors. Mounting and connection made easy. The MCB snaps on the standard mounting rail. For removal, the two slides on the terminals have to be pulled out manually. The snap-on slider opens and the device can be removed from the bus bar easily. Top or bottom, front or rear, various conductors with different cross-sections can be connected simultaneously via the two double terminals. The bus bar is connected in the bottom terminal area. The in-feed cable is connected before the bus bar in the top terminal area. This enables an excellent overview of all connecting cables connected on the front. The easy mounting principle supports the MCB's removal from the bus bar assembly and replacement at all times. You can mount additional components on the MCB effortlessly. In addition, the supplementation by remote-controlled mechanism and RC unit is possible.